Hello, it's Jeanette Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today is wash day obviously, and I started it off with pre-pooing my hair, and I just used some sweet almond oil, and I absolutely love sweet almond oil and pre-pooing my hair, especially when I am using a new brand that I haven't tried. Pre-pooing is what I do all the time, so I don't do an ACV wrench or I don't use the Olaplex treatment, but I do pre-poo every single time I use a new brand, and I just love the way my hair feels after I have pre-pooed it. My hair, it just feels so soft and smooth and definitely moisturized, and that is why I love pre-pooing my hair. As you could tell, my curls are clumping together, which is a great sign of moisture, and my hair, it just feels so soft. So I love pre-pooing my hair, and pre-pooing my hair has definitely helped with moisture retention. I'm just rinsing the oil out with some lukewarm water. Now that the oil has been pretty much rinsed out, I'm going to section my hair into quadrants as I always do. This just really helps me to stay on track and really be able to give my hair the TLC that it needs and deserves, because I really want to make sure that I cleanse all of my hair and my scalp, and I definitely give it that nice condition and nurture that it needs. For my shampoo, I'm going to be using this one from Honey. It is their deep moist shampoo, and what really attracted me is that it has honey as their main ingredient, and I absolutely love honey. It is a natural humectant, so that means it's going to attract moisture, which is really good for not only our hair but also skin. There are some natural masks that I do have that I do mix honey in it, and I just love the way it smells, and I also love to eat it. Honey is just sweet and it's just so good. Also, it has shea butter as a surfactant, so it's going to help to gently cleanse while hydrating. And it also is free of sulfates, mineral oil, synthetic dyes, propylene glycol, parabens, silicone additives, and they do not test on animals. It also has other moisturizing ingredients that help to replenish the hair, like argan oil, honey royal jelly, also golden silk, hyaluronic acid, and other ingredients really to help keep that moisture in. So I was like, ooh, this looks really good. I want to try it. It has a really light sweet smell, almost like honey and floral and vanilla mixed together. I really like the scent. It's not overpowering, and I just love the texture. It has a great lather effect. As you can tell, my curls are clumping together. As you already know, that is a great sign of moisture being added to your hair. So I definitely love the way this felt, and it had like a silk feeling to it. So not only did my hair feel really nice and moisturized, it felt like nice and silky as I was running my fingers through my hair with the shampoo in it. It felt really good. I'm applying 3 pumps of the shampoo because I love a really good lather, and as you can see, it's really hydrating my curls. Like, it's not making my hair stiff, and it is also cleansing my scalp. I just love the way it's felt. I love the way it smelled. It has a really good, clean, fresh, sweet scent. I know that that sounds like a bit much, but it smells really good, and I really love the way it felt on my hair. I could definitely feel the silk in there. It just had a nice feeling to my hair. In here, you can really see that my curls are clumping together, and I was a bit surprised. I mean, this is a Japanese line, so you know, it's not catered to natural hair per se. It's all hair types, but you know, sometimes for us, we really need that moisture in our hair, and because it had honey in it, I was really attracted to it. And also on the bottle, it says over 90% are deep hydrating and replenishing ingredients, so I really had to give it a try, and I really wanted to see what they were talking about with this line. And as you can see, my curls are clumping together. My hair does not feel dry at all. It does not feel stripped. It feels so good. I really love this shampoo, and I would definitely recommend it to you, and I will be using it again. After I finish working in the shampoo and all 4 quadrants separately, I'm just going to remove all the clips and then just massage my hair in one. I really want to make sure that all of my hair and my scalp gets the cleansing that it needs. As I was rinsing the shampoo out of my hair still felt good, and that's very important to me. I don't want my hair just to feel good when it has a shampoo, conditioner, or deep conditioner in it. I still want it to feel good after it has been rinsed out, and my hair definitely felt nice and soft and smooth after I rinsed the shampoo out. Now that my hair is product free, it still feels really good. I will say it doesn't feel as moisturized as it did with the shampoo in it, but it still feels moisturized. It's very soft, and I could tell that my hair hasn't been stripped of any moisture. It still feels really good. Now I'm going to be using their deep moist treatment, and this also has a lot of honey in it. It has 50% New Zealand manuka honey, 30% Hungarian acacia honey, and 20% raw Japanese honey, and over 90% of the products are deeply hydrating and replenishing ingredients, and it has honey coating, which helps to seal in nutrients and hydration. It's also free of all the products that I did mention, and it has argan oil, honey, royal jelly, golden silk, hyaluronic acid, and more, and it has 100% organic Moroccan oil in it. And I really wanted to try this line. It has so many great ingredients. It's free of a lot of harmful products that I do not want to put in my hair, and it has moisture levels and that moisture retention. You know, I'm always talking about moisture and how it's really good for the hair. I just love when my hair feels nice and moisturized. I just had to try this line. So this deep moist treatment, it just penetrated so good into my hair, and it was also clumping my curls together, and it has that silk in it, that golden silk, and I can really feel it in my hair, my curls. It just felt so good and very soft, moisturized. I just couldn't stop running my fingers through my hair because it had that golden silk to it. It's very different than any other conditioner or deep conditioner that I have used. Yes, I have used many great conditioners and deep conditioners in my hair, but this one, it had that silky consistency, that silky texture, and my curls, they just felt really silky, soft, moisturized, and very nourished. And also, I wanted to point out that I make sure that my hair is very saturated with water before I apply my shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner to it. I find that this way, products that really adhere to my hair a lot better, that are meant for my hair. Now, the products that sit on top of my hair, I know that they're not meant for my hair, but these products really just penetrated into my hair strands. My hair felt so good with the shampoo and this moist treatment in it. It felt really good. And I applied just a little bit more water to my hair just to help with the slip process, because when products, they have that slip in your hair, you know your hair is really getting that TLC, and I could definitely say I felt that in my hair. My curls were just so moisturized, and with that silk in it, it felt so good. And I also combed my hair with a wide tooth comb just to make sure that the product is getting dispersed well in my hair, and it was. I mean, I really didn't need to comb my hair with this wide tooth comb, because as you can tell, my curls are clumping together. They're so juicy. It's just moisturized my hair. Feels so good. I just cannot say enough. Like, this feels really good. I was a little bit surprised because I thought it would work, but it would be like, it's okay. But no, like, I really like these two products. I will definitely be using these again. And I have more of a low porosity texture in the front of my hair, and in the back I have medium porosity. So I do like to show you both the front of my hair and also the back when I'm using products, just to show you how they work. These products worked really good with both porosities of hair. You can really see my curls are clumped together so good. And when I rinsed the treatment out of my hair, it felt really good. My hair still felt soft, it felt smooth, and because of that golden silk in it, my hair felt really silky, and it just felt so good. I did follow up with a deep conditioner, and this is from the brand Meiche. This is their protein strengthened deep conditioner, because I was thinking that this was a conditioner from Anne Henny I used, but later I found out it was a deep moist treatment, so it's like a deep conditioner, but nonetheless my hair still felt really good. My curls were popping, curls were clumped together. I really love this deep conditioner from Meiche, and it really has my curls together. Like, my hair feels really nice and smooth and healthy. My curls are popping. Everything is really good with this whole routine, the shampoo, this deep conditioner, the treatment, and using this Meiche deep conditioner. I really felt my hair, it just felt really good. And here's how my curls look after rinsing out the deep moist treatment. My curls are clumped together. I'm telling you, I really love the shampoo, the deep moist treatment. It had my hair feeling so good. And when I applied the deep conditioner from Meiche, my curls, they just drunk it up. It just went right into my hair, which is a good sign of the products that you are using are good and they're working for your hair. Like, say this deep conditioner didn't work in my hair, then I would know that, you know, this maybe wasn't the best for me, but all the products, they worked in sync together. And I did put a shower cap on while I took my shower, just to help intensify this deep conditioning treatment with the Meiche deep conditioner. After about 10 minutes, I took the shower cap off, and my hair, it just felt really good. It felt really strong, really soft, and that's what I like. I really want my hair to feel nice and healthy and just feel its best. Every single time I have a wash day, I really want my hair to look and feel good, because of course I'm going to style my hair, and it really comes from wash days. When my wash day routine is a success, my style afterward is also a success, and my hair, it just looks so good. It's soft, it's moisturized, and it also holds on to moisture a lot better, which is very important for me. I don't want my hair to get dried out, especially with the summer coming. I want my hair to stay moisturized and not get dry, not get brittle. I want to keep all that moisture in my hair. And here's how my hair looks after I rinsed out the deep conditioner, and I put my t-shirt on just to help soak up any excess water in my hair, and then I'm ready to style. So what I have to say about the shampoo, I loved it. I didn't use that much. And also, this deep moist treatment was very good in my hair with that golden silk. It left my hair feeling nice and silky, hydrated, very nourished, and I would definitely recommend these products, and I will be using them again very soon. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!